Here the question is how many numbers that are greater than 3000 formed by the digits 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And here the repetition of digits is not allowed. So here we have to find the number of numbers that are greater than 3000 and that can be formed by the given digits. So here the given digits are 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total there are 6 digits and the number should be greater than 3000. Here 3000 is a 4 digited number. So we have to find, so all the 4 digited numbers, we have to find all the 4 digited numbers that are greater than 3000 and also all the 5 digited numbers, all the 5 digited and 6 digited numbers are obviously greater than 3000. Why? Because 3000 is a 4 digited number. So here the numbers that are greater than 3000 are all the 4 here the number here the 4 digited numbers greater than, which are greater than 3000 are nothing but here. So here we have to, here the number is 4 digited numbers and here given the number of digits is 6. So here we have to arrange 6 digits in 4 places. So here that can be done in 6p4 ways. So here total numbers will be 6p4 which are greater than 3000. So and 5 digit we have to find 5 digited numbers also. Why? Because 5 digited numbers are greater than 3000. So here 5 digited numbers greater than 3000 are nothing but here the digit would be 5 digited. So we have to arrange 6 digits in 5 places. That can be done in 6p5 ways. So 6p5 ways. And we have to find 6 digited numbers that are greater than 3000. So here number would be 6 digited and we have to arrange these 6 digits, given 6 digits in 6 places. That can be done in 6p6. So 6p6, that is nothing but 6 factorial. And we cannot find, we cannot take, we cannot, here we cannot consider 7 digited number. Why? Because in order to get the 7 digited number, we are having only 6 digits. In order to get the 7 digited number from 6 digits, at least one digit should be repeated. And here repetition is not allowed. Here the question is without repetition. So here we cannot take 7 digited numbers. These are not allowed in this case. So here our required numbers would be, required answer would be required numbers would be all the 4 digited numbers greater than 3000 plus here we have to all add these 3 cases and all the 5 digited numbers greater than, all the 5 digited numbers greater than 3000 and all the 6 digited numbers. So this is our required answer. So if we solve this one, we'll be getting answer as 1800. So here correct option is option D. If integral a to b f of x dx numerically integrated by Simpson's rule, then in any pair of consecutive subintervals by which of the following curves the curve y is equal to f of x is approximated. Here 4 options are given and we have to select the correct option. First option is option A is straight line, option B is parabola, option C is circle and option D is ellipse. So here correct option is option B, parabola. For Simpson's rule it will be parabola and for trapezoidal rule it will be straight line. So here it is, here it is, so here it is for Simpson's rule. So here correct option is option B. Here a graph is given and we have to find the in order traversal for the given graph. In order to write the in order traversal of the graph, we have to write the node when we visit that node for the second time. Here A is visited for the first time. Here B also first time, D first time, H first time. So here left child is not there for H. So after left child, after visiting left child, then again we'll go to H. So here H is visited for the second time. So for writing in order traversal, we have to write the node when we visit that node second time. So here H is written. H comes first. So we visit H first. Next N. So here for N there is no left child and there is no right child. So after H N will come, and again after visiting N we again visit D. Here D will be visited for the second time. So after N D will be coming. After D I. After I we go to B. This is the second visit for B. So we will write B. After I B. Then J. J. After that E. So after E we'll go to A. This is the second visit for A. So we'll write A. After A F. There is no left child for F. So after A F will be coming. After F then K. After K C. C here this is the second visit for C. So after K C will come. So if you proceed like this, you will be getting answer as option C. The time complexity of Floyd-Warshall algorithm is, here 4 options are given and we have to pick up the correct one. We use Floyd-Warshall algorithm to find the shortest path between all nodes in a directed graph. And this algorithm will compare all possible paths through the graph between each pair of vertices. And this can be done in order of n cube time. So here the time complexity is order of n cube. So the correct option is option B. For merging two sorted lists of size m and n into a sorted list of size m plus n, the number of comparisons required in the worst case is, here 4 options are given and we have to identify the correct option. So here in the worst case we have to compare each and every element, and last element doesn't require any comparison because only one element will be there. So here the number of comparisons in the worst case will be m plus n minus 1. So here correct option is option C. Here the question is, HTTP status code 500 to 599 indicates an error on the server information message, an error on client, an error in the web browser. Status code 500 to 599 indicates server error, and this will occur when server could not fulfill the request. So here the correct option is option A.